The scope and variety of their building materials here is just way beyond anything I have ever seen in one store. It just goes, look how far it goes down. You know, everything for metal framing. You notice there's not a lot of wood. Guys do their construction with concrete and metal, so it lasts forever. Never gets eaten by termites or anything like that, or blown down in a heavy wind. Here's something interesting. They do their measurements for their metal framing in inches. There's a 2x4, except it's real 2x4 because it's metal, not milled down wood. Just everything. Piping, 1/2 inch pipes. Some are plastic, some are metal, depends on what you need. It's just a massive variety of stuff. There's some wood, but it's typically used for sheeting in various places, and also used for concrete forming. So when they're laying concrete, they'll often use wood, plywood, like this, cut up to make the forms. Usually they use a thinner one. But this is just gobsmacking. And the prices are crazy good. I can get so much done here. You know, you see these prices, like, you know, most of the plumbing is done PVC. Huge selection of that. I just love it. I love coming to these stores.